Hello guys, welcome to my channel YouTube. Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to remove FFP bypass account Gmail, Moto E4. Okay, so we are going to, let's go and next, click to next, click next again, and set up as new, click to set up as new, and see all Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi now. Okay, so okay, after connect your Wi-Fi, you see the connecting. Okay, so if you're not subscribe to my channel, okay, subscribe now. Okay, check-ins for update. So okay, you see that, guys, you see that the verifying account, and if you click the next, you see that. Okay, so make back, back. Okay, if you again back. So now you see the version setting and click the third back and turn on third back. See that? Okay.
Media volume controls shown. Swipe up to dismiss.
Yes, the third back is activated. Okay, so
global context menu.
you see that?
Talk back. Show.
Okay, so click now to text.
Talkback tutorial. Global context menu. Talkback. Launch engine settings but settings.
You see that now?
Navigate up button. Text to speech set. Launch engine settings button.
You see
Enlist
that?
9 items. Menu.
You see? So now we are going to see the
About phone. Enlist.
version.
Phone status. Showing items 15 to 26 of 26.
Okay.
Phone name. Moto E to the power of 4 in list. Menu but menu. Security in showing items 6 to 30. Unknown source. Your phone and okay. Security. Menu. Storage. Apps. All apps. Google. App info. Navigate up. Feed. Get updates related to your interests, weather, traffic, news and more. Find out. No, thanks. Settings. Edit box. Global context menu. Pause feedback. In. Suspend. OK button. Talkback suspended.
Okay, now insert in memory card. So you see that. So insert it and move memory card to apps. Okay, so now so you see that, guys. So the memory card can insert it if you remove the battery. So ça veut dire faut que nous obligé retirer batterie pour nous capable mettre 4 mémoires, et bien nous juste retirer batterie et puis nous insérer 4 mémoires là, OK, dans memory card. After inserted, we are going to continue with the remove bypass. Okay, so guys, now this is the memory card is inserted. Okay, so now is inserted the external storage. Okay, the memory card. So now let's go. let's continue. Let's go. Okay, so now you see that the oven is not working. Done. Okay, now click to install Google App Setting. Google App Setting install. Now is waiting to install. Okay, so now is opening. After open hello, after click to hello, we are going to click down okay down. So click now. Okay, show debugging. See them now. Down. Okay, go down and click to device target flow. So click to next. So click to next again, and you see that download. So we need to one phone to set up it. Okay, we are going to Google. Okay, Google and set up my device. Writing set up my device. Yes, Siri. Set up my device, and you see the set up my device. Click next and searching for the device. Okay, so it's searching for device. The name of this device. Is not found. Try again. So search. Okay, search. Now, so you see that the verification ops. Okay, you see the verification, and now you see the okay. Is the Moto is the font for setup. Okay, so next, click the next on the font. Okay, after you click to copy and copy your account on your device. This Moto. Okay. Okay, copy in your account. Copy in account. Now, okay, enter the mode pass account. Now you see that I finished to enter the mode pass account and singing. Click to singing now and wait bow copy in. Okay, so you see that almost done. Is finished to copy. Now we get to restart the phone. Restart the phone. Okay, so click to power and click to restart the phone and set up it. Okay, so we are going to set up it as new. So now you see that, and let's go next. Click the next again, and you will say set up as new. And after you see that the connect to Wi-Fi leader. Okay, and continue. Okay, so to set up, okay, next, okay, and add in fingerprint or Skype anyway. Okay, and next. Okay, Skype and accept and go it. Boom. Okay, is finished. Okay, is finished. You will give me an thumbs up and like. Okay, so to subscribe to my channel and okay, subscribe to my channel, comment and share my videos. Okay, so now you can see that is finished to remove the FLP bypass account so that you can see that remove your account. Okay, remove your account if you have and after go down backup and factory data, reset the phone and set up as new. Okay, so if you finish it, set up as new, and you can see you finish it now. Okay, so you will see the next video.